Hello world. I'm Chung-Sik Bae, Dean of the College of Engineering in KAIST. It is my honor to introduce the college on the occasion of the semi-centennial anniversary of KAIST. Please let me describe the vision, organization of the college, followed by its excellence in education and research. Engineering College is a major part of KAIST with 369 faculty members and around 7,400 students, which account for 60% of KAIST. It was recognized as the world's 16th engineering school this year by QS. It has a vision of global leading engineering college for innovative creation of future humanity. As a core part of KAIST, we cultivate creative leading engineers and pursue innovative research for future. I made the slogan, "Back to the Basics, Heading for Innovation." The basics mean the continuity tuned to tradition, strong principles in science and engineering, and social manners. It has done the driving role of KAIST development and expansion over revolutionary achievements such as world's second internet, Korean first humanoid robot, and Korean first astronaut, and winning DARPA robot challenges as representative examples. We are trying to build best strategies to maximize the potential of each department and to encourage the collaboration between the departments while we recognize the diversity of college members, eventually to achieve its vision of innovation. The College of Engineering is composed of 3 schools and 11 departments. We also run affiliated research organization within 4 research institutes containing 63 research centers. We have around 8% of international faculty members among 369. Number of postgraduate students is bigger than undergraduate students by 60 to 40% of proportion. These numbers reflect the environment of research-oriented university, KAIST. We are offering 11 bachelor programs, 29 master programs, and 27 PhD programs. The College of Engineering in KAIST is ranked 16th and 32nd respectively, in the 2020 QS and Times Higher Education World University Ranking by subject in engineering and technology. Each department is positioned at 10th, 20th, and 30th in QS subject rankings. KAIST has cultivated excellent scientists and engineers to lead the industrial growth in Korea. One of the proof is that a quarter of semiconductor industry at PhD level is KAIST alumni. We have also stressed the education of entrepreneurship and produced startups in various fields. The number of it reaches over 500, achieving the sales of $12 billion. Innovation in engineering is at first manifested by well-designed convergent education, carrying a student step by step by making a student engaged through self-study, online learning, and in-depth discussions, which is basically backed up by KAIST Education 4.0 scheme. AI education is enforced entirely in all the classes, led by over 100 faculty members to help completing fourth industrial revolution. Engineering design projects are dissolved in the courses which are dealing with interdisciplinary, creative, and practical designs. These are realized through both capstone design courses and various co-op programs allied with industries. The college promotes any successful student caring program in a department to spread to the other departments. An example is my EE program of Electrical Engineering Department to provide students communication opportunities with professors. The College of Engineering pursues excellence in research. It is also devoted to the development of science and technology of humankind by conducting research projects. Each faculty member published 4.7 papers a year with quality of impact factor of 26, reaching the research funding of $290 million a year in total in the college, which actually correspond to 3/4 of KAIST research revenue. In order to cultivate global leaders with international competitiveness and leadership, the College of Engineering signed 97 international agreements with 61 institutions and universities in 25 countries, implementing student exchange, research cooperation, and joint or dual degree program. We support students to participate in international events to strengthen his or her global mindset and motivation. We promote invitation of an overseas expert in thesis review committees for a PhD dissertation to cultivate global capacity of the student. This was initiated by the discussions in the innovation workshop between faculty members. We are actively engaged in social relations activities such as various international seminars and international events. We are actively participating our tool, which is Asia-Oceania Top University League on Engineering, and we will host the annual meeting this year and next year. KAIST Emerging Material Symposium, chaired by Professor Il-do Kim, and the International Conference on Software Engineering, chaired by Professor Do-hwan Bae, are recent exemplar cases. We promote technology commercialization and industrial development through active domestic and overseas patent registration and technology transfer. We operate various university industry education programs with global companies to strengthen the connection with industries through the operation of industry-university cooperation programs. KAIST is recently running a national project, New Deal R&D initiative, focusing rapid development of antivirus quarantine system to fight COVID-19. Engineering College is doing the major role in the practical production of relevant parts and systems for protection and diagnosis of viruses and mobile hospital of infectious disease, such as antiviral reusable semi-transparent masks, actively air-conditioned smart personal protection equipment, mobile negative pressure mobility systems, and mobile hospitals. We publish the research webzine KAIST Breakthrough twice a year, distributed to about 50,000 people, including the renowned domestic and international institutions. In the future, the KAIST College of Engineering will continue to communicate with researchers and educators about outstanding achievement enhance global visibility, and develop by fulfilling its role of contributing to humanity. Thank you.